welcome to our website, Planting World Records. I've heard you guys have had some trouble logging in, signing up, that you can't find certain things on the webpage. So I will show you. For the sign up, the first name, you just put in your first name and then your email. You'll then receive an email with your temporary password, but I've changed mine, and I will show you how to change it and get a new avatar. It would really help us though if you didn't put a new avatar, just to help sort things out. So anyway, for your avatar, so you select your file, you browse through your packages, or certain people you have to take a picture. Password, you put in your new password, then confirm password. Then you can change your password. So let's just say you want to be a player. Well, then you can press join the team, and then you can request someone. 2018 Arrow of Light, Pack 1, 101, leader, this person. Then you can ask them, they will receive an email, they press accept. You will get an email saying that you can plant trees. So right now I've actually gotten a planting event from Camillo, and I'm going to accept this. Yes, I will accept this. This is where you will receive it. And then I will show you how to plant trees. So we go to plant a tree, then we will use this one, because I am not leader there. So we will go to register my trees, and we'll select our species. We'll do the Hala, because it's Hala amazing. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so now we will select our picture of the trees. Fortunately, someone's covering the way. So we will save tree. You must wait for this to stop loading and for a window to pop up. Takes a little while, since this is our new. Okay, now we can press upload all trees. Yes, we are finished. Okay, so the tree has been added. Okay, so you can see Azrael has uploaded one tree, in which case that is me. So I've uploaded one tree. So let's just say that's the only tree you've uploaded. Then that's the only tree you uploaded. Okay, well I've showed you how to become a player.